Hi, I'm Deborah Blanc, and I'll be presenting at the Central Coast Writers Conference at the end of September. I'm an author. My recent books that are out are Witch's Hunger. I have them right here, in fact. Witch's Hunger, Witch's Thirst, and Witch's Fury. I'm very much looking forward to the conference that's coming up. I'll be presenting this ebook extravaganza, where we'll be talking a lot about ebooks. We're going to start from the beginning, the characters, the stories, the plot lines, the geography, point of view, dialogue, pacing, you name it, we're going to talk about it. And the second thing we're going to take a look at is you, because you are what people will go and buy. They are enthralled by you. They are, if you're very engaging, they want to know more about you and then more about you through your writing. So we'll talk about you. And then we'll go through the slings and arrows of the ebook industry, the platforms that are available that you should be posting on. We'll do some of the monetary issues involved with ebooks, how to market yourself once you have your ebook out in the master's class. I'll have handouts, so you won't have to take copious notes. You can just scribble on what I hand to you, which I always appreciate. I think it's critical that writers go to writers' conferences for the networking. You not only learn from seasoned writers, seasoned authors, you have an opportunity to network with them, to learn their little caveats, their secrets, how their work process works, what you might be able to add to your own. You also get to hobnob with some editors and agents, which is really crucial if you're looking to go traditional press. And it's just a joy of being amongst people who love to do what you do. Writing is such a solitary act. It's such a solitary business that to get in a group of people who enjoy the same thing is, I know it makes me happy.
Excellent. So thank you so much. And I'll see you at the Writers' Conference.